Hi, my name is Ed Akitt, and we're here at Collingwood Toyota introducing you to the all-new 2020 Toyota Corolla. One of the great features that Toyota has now put into this car is Apple CarPlay. Huge thing for Toyota. Multiple vehicles Toyota now builds has it available, such as the new CHR, our Toyota Corolla that we're in, the Toyota RAV4, which is an all-new vehicle as well, and multiple others. And also future vehicles will see this feature. So let's get to what Apple CarPlay is. Apple CarPlay to Toyota has been available now for a couple of years, and it is a feature that adapts iPhone users to a system that will allow you to answer calls, place calls, look for Google Maps, send text messages, all while being hands-free. So these features are now available with the new 2020 Corolla. So as you see on the screen, if we wanted to place a call, it's a simple touch if need be. If you want to use it.
Who do you want to call?
Call Sam Walker.
Calling Sam Walker. Mobile.
So as we place a call, all by voice, and as it calls through. So as it's there is our call. So we will hang this up. And then it takes us back to our screen where it has favorites and your contacts, which are people that you know. You can dial out any of your recent calls, also will have that as well. Getting back to our main screen, it will also have the availability to play music from. So using your phone again, as we play a song, we do have the ability to control with our fingers. And that is another feature. So let's pause that. And now let's get into the map system that everybody wants to have on their car. So it will give you real-time data about your drive. So traffic data, information of where you're headed, setting up a destination. Great feature for getting to places that you're unfamiliar with. And a nice large screen gives you all the information needed to provide you to be safe on the road where you're headed. A couple other quick features as well. To play music from, to send texts, to read texts. Everything uses Siri for the ability to do that. So as I send a message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Sam Walker.
What do you want to say?
Hi Sam, enjoy your new 2020 Toyota Corolla.
Your message to Sam Walker says, "Hi Sam, enjoy your new 2020 Toyota Corolla." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Simple as that. So easy to send messages. Back to your home screen, we do have also the availability to read audiobooks out throughout the car. And on this screen, we've got other features and apps. And the future of this will have the ability to show others. Lots of people on the road today use Spotify to play music from. They want to get information from MLB or NHL for the sports gurus out there. And Waze, which is also another popular feature that does show you map-based systems. So all of these integrations towards car nowadays, which provide the consumer and our Toyota guests with much information needed when driving their new Toyota. If there's any questions, please let us know about anything with Apple CarPlay. My name is Ed Akitt, and we're here at Collingwood Toyota.